Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2019 Honda CB300R. This is the one you've been waiting for. We just got it in trade from the first owner, only 1,500 miles. Blacked out style, beautiful condition. Come on, babe. Save hundreds over the price of a new one. This one's going for just $44.99. Come on by, check it out. Make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.